Got a wonderful apartment here for rent. It's right in the heart of Fuengirola, right by the port, so it's access to everything. It's really beautifully decorated, very modern. You've got a dining area here. You've got a sofa area, TV mounted onto the wall here, storage space, fridge, freezer, and a cooking area here. You've got the hob, microwave, and then I'm going to show you into there's 2 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom, so you've got storage here, and this is done out as a bunk bedroom, and you've got this wonderful view from the terrace all over the town. So you've got the mountains and the town from that side, and then here you've got the port. Now obviously these windows all open up, but you've got the port just here. It's a really good sized terrace. So they've actually got here laid out just some sort of like chairs, but you could put chairs and tables out here if you wanted to. What a great location this is, so central. You're literally a couple of minutes walk to the very, very heart of the town here. Back towards the front door. You come in through the front door, you've got the bathroom to the left, which is really newly renovated. It's beautifully done. You can see it's very modern. You've got this double shower here, gorgeous tiling, really nice. Storage under the sink, and then the actual main bedroom is a really good sized double. You've got wardrobes to the right, you've got the bed, some storage here, and then actually from the window here, it's gorgeous. You've got a wonderful view of the port. Look at that. Just to the right here, you've got the community pool, and it's a huge pool. I think it's about 25 meters, so a really, really good sized community pool. And obviously you can go jump in the sea because it's just a couple of minutes walk away.